So today I got my first mystery box from p.louise and I am super excited to open it and see what's inside. I've been watching Alexandria Ryan and all the stuff that she gets from them is just super fantastic. And I have to say, look at this box. The packaging is beautiful. It says p.louise, all of us are a little fragile, babe. Special your, what does it say? Special your wing spread. It says spread. Oh dear Lord, I cannot read. Anyway, spread your wings and fly. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yeah, spread them. Then it says, embrace the change. The outcome is beautiful. And once you open me, I'm officially yours forever. No returns, refunds, or exchanges. A little clingy, but I can get behind that. All right, and what we have in here, we have a little pink p.louise brush, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's a cute little brush with their signature. Oh, it's I had it the right way the other time. A number 7072. Don't ask me what that means. I am absolutely new to makeup. I have no clue what any of this is. I've just wanted to get into it. So our first item here is magic dust, which is a give the stars some competition. And I'm guessing the color is cherry blossom. And it is, the gold is not helping. It says magic leaves behind a dusting of sparkle wherever it has been. Might not see it when you're around. It's faster than it seems. Okay. Gotta love this packaging. Oh, it's a loose highlighter. Beautiful. Let's open this. Inside, got a little mirror. I'm trying to use the viewfinder. Like my eyes won't work or something. And then open this part up. And here's the color. Already swatched some of it. This is a very beautiful pink, by the way. And here's what it looks like on the skin. Look at that. Look at how reflective that is in the freaking light. It's not going to give you like a color, but it'll give off a beautiful shimmer. It is a highlighter, not meant to be pigmented, I suppose. So let's open up our next thing. So far, I love this box. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. And this is Drive Me Balmy. Contents may be addictive. Therefore a good time. Alrighty, p.louise. I love this box. Look at this. This is adorable. Okay, and you open it up and you've got 2 lip balms. Why does it say that? It says, balmy for you, I spy no dry. That's good. I got it. Never mind. And what is the... Not sure where I find the moisturizing lip balm. Leaves you hydrated. I was wondering if it tells me what the... I don't know why I'm thinking there's supposed to be a flavor. I mean, it's a lip balm. There's probably not a color. Let's see. I like the applicator. I love applicators like that. And pressy, pressy, press. I have to warm it up. It had been delivered and it's like 9 degrees outside, so, you know. And yeah, not really a pigment. And this is so weird. Why is it like that? I mean, I guess I could put my finger there so I could press it even more. It's not a bad smell. I'm not sure. I can't place it, but I like remember this from my childhood. It was a candy I used to get and I cannot remember it. I can't remember it for the life of me. It wasn't a candy that I can say that I enjoyed all that much either. I mean, it wasn't horrible, mind you. Oh my gosh. Packaging hates me. And then, oh my gosh, look at this. It is a heart. It's adorable. And then this bottom part clicks, and I have no idea why, because it's not making this come out, is it? Doesn't seem to be. Maybe it is, actually. Never mind. I lied. Oh, I love this. It is actually. Look, you can tell it came out some. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that feels really amazing on the lips. Yeah, that feels really good on the lips. That, this is cool. Okay, so this is instantly rejuvenate your skin moisture. Fruity Fix setting spray. Orange. That is so cool. I don't, like I said, I'm new to makeup, so I'm not really extremely sure. I like this. It comes with a whole booklet. It's got its own lore behind it. Let's see how well that sprays. I just want to see a little prime it. Ooh, that's a nice mist. Oh, wow. Okay, so just with that spray alone, you get a nice, well, yeah, citrus orangey scent to it, but not overpowering. I don't know. Oh, yeah. It says, shut up and kiss me. Lipstick palette. I've got a good heart, but this mouth is uncontrollable. I'm saying nothing to that. Let us open this up and see what we have inside. So it says, shut up and kiss me, just like the outside box. And then on the back, the ingredients and everything, and where to put it on your face. No, I don't know what that is. I opened it with one hand. Everything is sticking to this. I'm doing horribly here. Let's look at the shades. They actually have some nice shades that are mostly neutrals. Oh my, and there I am. Let's not look at me. I'm going, out of all these colors, I mean, I will absolutely, I will absolutely learn to talk. I will absolutely use all of these colors at one point in time or another. I'm not a, this one. This one calls to me. I wanted to see. And then swatchy swatch. Let's see how pigmented that is. Cannot hold my camera properly. I am really good at this. Oh, yeah. Actually, oh, that's really pretty. And I like it with the sparkles. It goes well together. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm curious to how the red-ish color looks on me now. Again, I just put it over the crease for the... Oh, I love that. I wish I put in my hand. Okay, I like that a lot, actually. That's a good color. Looks good on my lack of skin tone. I have absolutely enjoyed this box. For a first introduction to p.louise mystery boxes, I am very happy. I think I got a pretty good amount, and I'm looking forward to the budget box that I ordered. I can't wait to see what's in there. So, if you see anything you're interested in, just make sure you go to their website, p.louise.uk. I don't know what their website is. Just a second. Right there. www.plouise.co.uk. Ta-da! I found it. Thanks for watching if you did, and have a wonderful, amazing evening.